Hey guys, well, since I've been asked a few times and sold a few, is about my flint and steel hammer striker. Um, Apparently, a lot of people seem to have liked it, and I've decided to take the plunge and start making them and, well, selling them. Uh, Basically, it's a tutorial here. So, if you're interested or thinking about buying, or you have one, you're wondering how to use this thing, well, let's see here. Right here is my original prototype that I still use to this day. I did make some modifications on the newer ones. I've elongated the hammer a little bit more and made it a little bit more comfortable so that when you do strike it, it is much easier to use. I've seen people say, sell hammer strikers in a way themselves. Some people have called them, Thor's hammer, Mjolnir. There's in the Celts, Bridget's hammer or Bridget's hammer. Basically, I just use this as a hammer striker. You call it what you wish. Call it Thor's hammer, Mjolnir, Bridget's hammer, whatever. Anyways, I've seen people sell them, as I said before, and they say, they'll spark, but they'll spark one way or the other. This, what I make, sparks both with a ferro rod and flint and steel. So let me show you. All right, well, move to some shade here so you can see the sparks here. It's kind of bright here for mid to late January, but here I'm going to show you what I'll be selling here. As we have here my prototype, and here is the updated one. As you can see, it's a little bit more elongated and shinier. Of course, the original has seen a lot of usage. But I've had this prototype for 5 years plus, and it's not failed me yet. So I'm going to demonstrate here with the new model here. One thing I want to show you what it contains is, aside from the striker and the carrying bag, I also include a tin, good piece of flint, and char cloth. So let me show you the sparking with the ferro rod. So let me demonstrate how it's done. Okay, the spark test. As you can see, it will spark. Reversed, whatever way you want to hold it. By the way, you could trim up these laces. I keep them long for however you want to wear it. And there it goes. It will spark. Okay, here's the flint and steel and char cloth. Doing this in the shadows so you can see it a lot easier. Here it is. Tripping. There it is. It works. This will spark. So, let me get a good close-up view here so you could see the sparking in the shadows. As you can see, it throws off nice sparks. So, and there you have it. Not only do you have a fairly nifty, fashionable jewelry accessory, you have a tool to make fire. And not to mention, you also have a nice little carrying bag. So if you are planning on ordering, do click the link below to my Etsy account and you'll find it. If by perchance that I am out, by all means send me a message and I'll get right back to you and tell you exactly how long it'll take for me to get you. It shouldn't take too long. But I do work full time at strange hours, so it could take, a day or two depending. So thank you, and hope to hear from you soon. Have a good journey.